In a startling revelation, NASA's Perseverance rover has captured peculiar audio recordings on Mars. The findings reveal two distinct speeds of sound on the planet. Imagine that. This acoustic phenomenon is believed to be due to the Martian surface's low pressure and thermal turbulence. Low-pitched sounds travel slower than high-pitched ones, a Martian symphony if you will. These groundbreaking recordings offer invaluable insights into Mars's acoustic environment and how sound waves travel on the planet. But here's the catch. Could we have disturbed the Martian tranquility? Have our explorations inadvertently affected life on Mars if there is any? The answers to these questions lie in the unknown as we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the Red Planet. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of the cosmos and perhaps our own existence. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and questioning the universe.